Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Justine. Happy birthday to you.
You're 1 year older now, Justin. What's your birthday wish? I really want to attend the Australia study tour this summer. May your dream come true. Mom, I want to go too. Only if you behave yourself.
Let's cut the cake first. It's her favorite mango cake.
Great!
My name is Sharon. I'm a branch manager of a bank. Kit's and Lisa's son, Bosco, and my son, Justin, are classmates and best friends. Kit is the owner of a small and medium-sized trading company and the PTA chairman of our boys' school. He keeps asking why Bosco gets to go to so many places, but he never gets to travel anywhere. All he does is sulk. He doesn't understand how busy his daddy and I are at work.
If you can afford the time, you should take your son out to have fun more often and learn more about the world.
I know. That's why I want to send Justin on the study tour too. But there are only 10 spots available, and many students compete for them. Justin's grades are only so-so. He doesn't stand a chance.
That's not necessarily true. The school doesn't just base everything on their grades. Is that right, Kit? Hey, honey.
Right.
Are you alright, kid? You've hardly said a word all day.
I'm fine. I'm just a little tired.
Are you sure? I told you not to overexert yourself at work. It's not like we can't put food on the table.
If you had listened to my advice earlier and sold the high-risk funds before the market crashed, you wouldn't have been hit so badly.
I can't turn the clock back. What are my options now?
You can wait until the market goes up again.
Wait. I can't wait any longer. Not long ago, one of my major clients suddenly closed his company. He defaulted on a large payment to us. The company's cash flow has been in trouble ever since. I was thinking of putting my own money into the company to resolve the crisis. But... well, can your bank give us a loan?
How much do you want to borrow?
5 million.
5 million? Have you lost your mind? In view of your current financial situation, the bank will never lend you that amount of money.
You're the only one who knows my situation. If you keep quiet, who else would know?
You've known me long enough to know that I'm not that kind of person. I'm sorry I can't help you.
I wouldn't have come to you if I had any other options. Just this once. If you just keep quiet, you'll help me a great deal. What about this? Your Justin wants to attend the school study tour, right? The tour is being sponsored by the PTA. As the PTA president, if I write a recommendation letter for him, the school will definitely approve his application. Don't you want your son to be happy?